Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, my friends, hello, my friends. Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, hello, lovely learners. I'm Miss Hughes, your facilitator for today. Today, we are going to learn our jolly phonics letter sounds. Yay! We are going to learn the first group of the jolly phonics letter sound. We are taking or picking only the first two letter sounds of the first group, which is S and A. S and A. Good. We are going to learn the song on it, the action on it, and an object related to the letter sound. So join me. Who can identify this letter sound? Good. The snake is in the grass. 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 So as in, skirt. S as in skirt. And as in snake. As in sun. Sun. Skirt. Snake. Good. The next letter sound is A. 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 Until my arms. A. A. Until my arms. A. A. Until my arms they causing me alarm. A. 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 Until my arms. A. A. Until my arms. A. A. Until my arms they causing me alarm. Ah. So this is the letter sound. Ah. 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 And as in apple. Yay! As in apple. Apple. Ant. Ant. And arrow. Arrow. Good job. So these are the objects related to the letter sound. Good. So we are going to identify our two letter sound for the last time. Who can help Miss Hughes? Good. Well done. The next letter sound. Great. Well done. So this is the action of the letter sound. And the second letter sound is So snake in the grass. An ant on my arms. Ant on my arms. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.